ડન બેટા ઉર્વા?
ના.
ફટાફટ ફ્લિપ કરવાનું છે ઉર્વા. યસ બેટા.
For inspiring books. This book has 100 pages and it has parts of different types of stories like confidential and managing stories and other. They have stories. They have stories and after the story there is a question. There is question. I have read one story.
યસ.
Once son was passing by some elephants in the jungle. The elephants are tied in a rope and the rope was compared by the size of elephants. Firstly, that if the elephant can easily break this
યસ બેટા.
rope, they will free.
યસ.
The elephants can't break the rope. And
યસ.
and the son said, Father, why the elephant has to compare the rope within that size?
યસ બેટા.
Said the woodcutter said, I don't know, and they walked away. Standing outside with her friends.
યસ ઉર્વા.
On the coconut tree that is red color and in a circle it is written two lazy stories from inspiring you and behind it there is a white color and it has wrapped something in red color.
યસ.
Done.
વેરી ગુડ.